Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add an image gallery to your WordPress website. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. If you're planning to add an image gallery to your WordPress website, basically is very easy. Yeah, so let me just add a demo page to show you the step-by-step. Alright, I will just name this page as demo. And over right here, okay, the first step that you need to do is to add a block. So we need to come here and choose a block. And if you can see, there's this plus sign button over right here. We're going to select this. And right here, we are going to search for gallery. Okay, so you can see this, the gallery block. Okay, so just click on this and you will have something like this. So basically, there's actually two ways for you to select the images, yeah, to add into the gallery. So first of all, if you already have the image with you that is already being uploaded to your WordPress media library, you can go ahead and select the images from your library. Yeah. For those of you, if you don't have the image with you, I mean, if let's say the images is not in your, the images are not in your website, what you can do is that you can just come here and upload the images from your computer. Okay, so I'm going to show you this option. And select the images. So I'm going to select all the 12 images that I have. I'm going to open this. Alright, so just let it load for a while, and you can see right after it's actually loaded, right, all the images, and this is just the preview. So right now you can go ahead and publish or update your website. Okay, so I'm going to show you the outcome on the website. So right here, if you can see, very fast, very quick, you will have the gallery, image gallery that look like this, yeah, on your website right here. Now, one problem. So let's say, hey, you'll be thinking of, hey, how can I actually click and enlarge the image? So currently this image is kind of very small, right? So if you're thinking of, hey, I want to zoom in to take a closer look, unfortunately, right now is it doesn't allow you to do so, right? So we need to tweak a little bit on the setting. So let's just go back to our setting page. And over right here, this is what you need to do, okay? You need to make sure that you select on the gallery again to edit the setting. Okay, so this page, this section, I'm going to click on the close panel for me to return to my setting bar right here, right? So if you can see over right here, there's this link to drop down menu for you to choose, right? If I click on this, okay, the right setting, currently the default will be set to none, okay? But if you want to have that click to enlarge kind of feature, you need to select media file, okay? We need to click on here, link to media file. So let's just do an update. And let me just go back to my website, refresh, and let's see. Okay, so if let's say I want to enlarge this image, and once I click on the image, so if you can see, image has been zoomed in, right, enlarged right here. Now, if I want to navigate to my next image, you will realize that, hey, there's no navigation bar, and the only way for me to move and choose my next image is by going back, click on the back at your browser right here, and then select another image from here. So every single time, if you would like to navigate to the next image, you need to come here and click back, then select another image again, then only you will enlarge, right? but it's kind of like a little bit not user friendly, yeah, and a little bit annoying, right? So how are we able to have like a very easy navigation bar for us to click left and right? Yeah, when the moment that we just when we are viewing the enlarged image, there's a navigation bar left and right here for us to easy navigate. Yeah. So I'm going to show you again. Now this part, we can't edit the setting just from here, but we need to add a new plugin. Okay, we need to add a plugin in order for us to have that light box navigations at our gallery, right? So over right here, we will need to go to plugin and add a new plugin. Over right here, we need to search for WP Featherlight. Okay, so right, this is the correct one. So go ahead, click on install now and activate. All right, so I'm going to activate this plugin. All right, now very fast, right after you activated this plugin right here, right, you can just go ahead, go back to your website, refresh, make sure that you refresh your website, and right now, let's see, okay? You can just click on any image that you have in the gallery right here, and if you can see from here, we will have this navigation bar right here. All right, so I can just click on the right to move to the to the next image, or if I want to go back, I can just click on the left right here. Okay, so if I want to return back to my website, you can just see, you can see on top right here, there's this cross or close the window. Yeah, so we are back. Okay, so very easy. So basically, you just need to add on a new plugin. Now, one more thing. For those of you, if you are thinking of, if you want to customize the column a little bit, right? So what can you do, right? So if you can see over right here, there's on the right hand side, there's this navigation as well. So the column, yeah. So if I actually just choose the options over right here, right? Whether or not you want to have 2 columns or you want to have 1 column. Well, like 1 column gallery doesn't make sense. So what you can do, maybe you can choose 2 column if you want to, the image looks slightly bigger, or if you want to go with like more column also can. So because I only have like 12 images, yeah, so over right here, the last 2 images will actually be slightly bigger, just to ensure that it fits all the row right there. So maybe I will go with 5 and let's see, right? Okay, I'm going to refresh my website. All right, so this is how it looks like over right here. This two is kind of like quite big, but the other one over right here is slightly a little bit too small. So maybe let me just try to go with, like, just now we are 3, right? Column 3. So let me just do column 2 and refresh. All right, so if you can see the size, it will actually depends on your website theme. Okay, the width of your website theme to make a full width right there. So depending on like which theme that you are using and how many size that you have, right, and the width of your website right there. So then when you change the column of the gallery, the size of the image will actually just responsive to your website. All right. So that's all in this video that I would like to just show you a quick one on how you can actually add image gallery to your WordPress website. Yep. So if you like this video, or if you successfully created your gallery, please do leave your comment below and let me know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.